You gotta work fast because it's gonna rain. It's not hot and sunny, it rains. Check that out, new cap. This grease on here is already kind of fucked up. And we gotta hurry up. I'll show you when it's all done. Check it out, leaking now. New dust cap, yeah. Didn't have to take the wheel off. Sometimes you do. See that over here? Separation of the grease, oil and the grease. It's kind of what's happening to the grease inside the wheel bearings. Same kind of shit. So that could also be a problem. Why the grease is leaking out of this dust cap. That is, this dust cap is stretched over time. You know, this diameter over here is going to shrink. It's not going to seal very tight. That could be another reason. So a new dust cap. These things are like $16. I'm not kidding you, with a discount. You cannot get an aftermarket one like this, like a Chinese one. They don't make it. See how it's flat? Don't make that. So I gotta go original. And I think I have another one sitting around. I should go buy a couple more of them if I can buy in bulk and save. Bullshit. So we're gone. Hopefully fix the problem. One more thing down on the list. In my other video, I showed you my alternator was squeaking. I was just looking up bearing kits or whatever. Probably just gonna go that route. So I don't really want to spend $80 on another alternator, $70 or $60, whatever the hell that cost. Look, I bought that June 29, 2013. Has alternator AC Delco alternators, 2-year, 24,000 mile warranty. It's not 2 years yet, not 24,000 miles. I don't do 12,000 miles a year. So I call up Amazon. Amazon puts a whole big runaround. Amazon sucks. Amazon, you suck. Alright, so we're getting nowhere with them. They say, oh, you have to call the 1-800 AC Delco number. I go, a bunch of bullshit, man. I don't gotta do that shit. I never had to do that ever before. So I call up that number, some lady on the phone, no idea anything. Worst customer service representative I've ever dealt with. I get nowhere with them. And we're still left with a squeaky alternator. So if you're ever buying an alternator or anything, or AC Delco, don't fucking buy it from AC Delco. They suck. AC Delco, worst company, man. GM, they suck too. Just stay away from anything. AC Delco, General Motors, stay away from it. Total crap these days. Its customer service is horrible. So that's the deal. That's all I have to say. Don't buy an AC Delco alternator. No, and the best part is they tell you, oh, we'll contact you in 2 weeks. I go, 2 weeks? Okay, yeah, the thing will probably be freaking on fire by then, 2 weeks. I think I'm just going to change the bearings. And then Mr. Spark Plug Wire Guy, $10. Hey, can I pick up these wires today? Alright, so we call them, 317 Indiana something. They call you back? Fuck no. Oh yeah, one of those quick people. They tell you where you are. They see my out-of-state number. Nope, fuck you, they don't call you back. Screw you. Okay, it looks like it's like 28 across. Shaft size is 10. This one's pretty common in the front. It's like, I don't know, I can't even remember offhand what it was. I wrote it down. So much for that. But yeah, 28 across, 10 shaft. I don't know the thickness though, that's the only other thing. They say they make one a little bit wider too. It might stick out of the case, so this could actually be the wider one. I'm not sure. They say it lasts longer. And then they also make a whole little rear piece over here that has fins on it. Apparently, it makes the rear bearing last longer because things get hot here. Alternator sag. Maybe we'll just combine it the same thing. A little wheel bearing thing, an alternator. People are tired of watching these little stupid clips. But alternator bearings, NTN brand, supposedly pretty good, made in Canada. Look at that, $15.95. Alright, well I didn't buy them from this guy, but I got the same size. That's the size I need, 17mm shaft. That's inside, you know, boop, boop. 47mm outer diameter, 14mm width. That is the bearing in the front. The rear bearing is, we measured it, what is it, 26 across? I said like 27, 28, you know, it's not really probably getting the case. I was measuring a little bit. 10mm on the inside, and 8 millimeters wide. They make one that's also 10 millimeters wide. It sticks out a little bit. Hopefully mine's not a 10 millimeter. I think the 10 millimeter one's like special for aftermarket purposes. But we got that. What did I think I paid altogether with shipping? Use the coupon code because Granger didn't have them in stock. And Granger wanted way more money. They wanted like $20 a bearing. I got both of them NTN front and rear for like 28 bucks. You'll have them next week, and I'll try to take apart that alternator. I know the most trickiest part though is just the brushes. Your brushes, you gotta stab them with like a straw or something in the back of the alternator because you can't get the back piece on because the brushes are gonna be popping out. So if you put like a little straw in there, it brings them back, and then you pull the straw out, see it against the commutator, and it's pretty easy. Hopefully, I think I can figure it out. And I fought with that AC Delco company, Amazon, all that wasted time. Fuck them, man. They're gonna send you another piece of shit with bad bearings. Just do it yourself, make something work.